Learn programming skills welcomes you to this YouTube platform, and in today's video I want to show you another approach or a different approach of creating a digital clock using the notepad application and also the command prompt. I have a previous video that shows you detailed and well explained of course that helps you to create a digital clock using the notepad and also the command prompt window, and I'm going to link that video in the description below. Check it out. And now let's quickly jump into this particular video and let me show you how you can create this dynamic and also quick revealing of date and time using the notepad and also the command prompt window. So let's quickly open the notepad on our desktop background. So this is the best match and I'm going to click on this. So in this interface I have my notepad application open, and what commands are we going to type to create this dynamic digital clock? The first command is the echo off command. Then after typing this command you press the enter key, and the next command I'm going to type is the colon and the start command. You can also use the main command as well. They all work similarly to bring out our main output or the kind of output that we need in the command prompt window. So after typing the colon and the start, we press the enter key. Then we input the commands that is going to bring out the display of the date and time. So we are going to use the echo command once again. So we have the echo the dates and also having the dates placed in the percentage symbol. This is to tell this particular application that at the end of the day the output or the display that we want to see the dates that is going to fetch this dates from our operating system, and based on our CMOS the kind of display that it has for us on the taskbar, that is the date and time that we have on the notification area. This particular command is going to pull out the date and the time of our operating system and showcase that in the command prompt window. So since I have this command line which is the echo date colon and also the percentage symbol with the date argument, let me erase this particular symbol. This is going to display the date option. Now we are going to continue this because we have the echo command. We can add the different command line in the same line of path. So I'll press the space bar and type the time. Then in this command line I'm going to press the enter key, and we are going to key in the last command to perform our operation or our execution of this date and time display. So the last command we are going to type the go to start. That is to have an endless looping of this command, just to have our display stay on the screen until we personally close that particular window. So we have the go to start. Now that this is done, we can quickly click on the file tab on the menu bar. Then we choose save or save as. Because this is a new document, we can choose any of the saving option. Let's select the desktop, and I'm going to click in the file name field and type clock. Then we add an extension to this clock by typing the .bat symbol. Then we click on the save button. Now fast forward, when we get access to the Windows desktop, we have this batch file created, and as you know, batch files are scripting language that are used to perform an execution or an operation that seems to have a relation with our graphical user interface. Now since we have this batch file, I'm going to double click, and this is going to open the command prompt window, and I have this dynamic date and time shuffling. Now don't be amazed by this output, just focus on the last line of this particular dynamic date and time, and this is going to showcase you the dates. So this is 4th July 2025, and this is the time that we have here, 17:45. This is the seconds that is reading, this is the milliseconds, this is the minutes, and this is the hours. So this is 17:46 and this seconds moves to push this particular minute ahead. So this is how to create a simple, quick and dynamic clock or digital clock using the notepad application and the command prompt. And as I said earlier, I have a full detailed video on how to create this digital clock using the command prompt and also the notepad application. The link is in the description below. Check it out after watching this present video. Thank you and see you in the next one.